Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make lemonade cookies. Start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees F and lining a baking sheet with parchment paper, then measure and zest lemons carefully for bright flavor. Combine room temperature butter and sugar, beat until creamy, then add egg, lemon zest, and lemon extract for a bold citrus profile. Fold in flour, baking powder, and a pinch of salt until just combined, then chill the dough to help cookies keep their shape and develop deeper flavor. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like, it really helps. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth can reshape your view on saving, investing, and making choices that support baking and life goals. It's a handy companion for planning kitchen budgets and long-term dreams, and you'll find a link in the description with other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Scoop dough onto the prepared sheet and watch closely as cookies bake quickly. Remove when edges are set and centers still soft. While warm, mix powdered sugar with lemon juice until smooth, then drizzle or dip cookies for a glossy finish that balances tart and sweet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.